Hello, lovely children. I am Kritika, your English educator. Today, from our book Purvi of grade 6, we are again doing our unit 5, that is culture and tradition, and we'll continue with our poem, The Kite. Today, we'll be starting with the question answers because a lot of activities we are already done with, and let's quickly dig into the question answers. Okay, let us think and reflect. Read the given lines from the poem and answer the following questions. What fun it would be to look right down over the park and the rooftops from town. Circle the word that does not share the same feeling as fun, joy, excitement, and care and happiness. Okay? Okay. So here, circle the word that does not share the same feeling, that is care. Now here in the entire poem, there is no feeling of care. Okay? The whole poem, the entire poem is all about happiness, fun, joy, excitement, enjoyment, but there is no feeling of care in the entire poem. So this is the odd one out here. This is the odd one out here. The word care is not related to the poem in any sense. Okay, moving on. Which line tells us that the poet was somewhere above? Yeah, which line tells us that? See, the line which tells us that the poet was somewhere above us is to look right down. एक लाइन है पूरी पोम में जिसमें वो कहता है to look right down. Here in this line we actually understand कि right now in poet's imagination or in child's imagination, where is the child right now? Child is right now up somewhere flying in the sky, and that is why when he said to look right down, मतलब अगर मैं नीचे देखूं, इसका मतलब अपनी imagination में वो अभी ऊपर कहीं उड़ रहा है, वो हमें इस लाइन से पता चल रहा है. Okay? Okay. Moving on. Choose the scene the child saw. बच्चे को क्या दिखा होगा बेटा? When he's flying up in the sky, what do you think he saw? This lady walking here, these cars, these houses, or these? I think the second one. Which one? The second one. The rooftops of the houses. What did he see? He saw the rooftops of the houses. Okay. Answer the following questions. How does the poet describe the kites in the first two lines? He said that the kite looks like the colorful birds flying in the sky. The poet describes the kite as flying up in the air and compares them to the colored birds in the wind-whipped sky, creating a picture of bright, lively kites soaring through a windy sky. He's saying that kite is up there in the sky like colorful birds and is flying in the wind-whipped sky. So that's how he explained the kite in the first two lines. That's where the kite is. That's how the kite looked, and that is why he also wanted to be like a kite. Okay, next. Why does the child say that they have to climb a tree first to go on to the kite? The child imagines that to reach the kite, they would need to be light and small, like the air. Climbing a tree could symbolize a way to reach something high in the sky where the kite is flying. See, in the poem, the child is saying that I wanted to be so small and very, very light as air so that he can actually be able to get on the kite. Now, in the poem, if he's saying to get on the tree, he actually is trying to say that it will be very easy for him to catch a kite while he is on the tree because he'll always be on a very top. See, पेड़ पे वो चढ़ा तो वो काफी ऊपर तो ऑलरेडी पहुंच चुका है. उसके बाद लाइट और छोटे होने की वजह से it will be very easy to shift on the kite. ठीक है? And then sail in the entire sky. ठीक है? So that is the reference of getting onto the tree. So finally be actually able to get on the kite. Okay, next. What are the songs that the child hears when the flying atop the kite? See, उसने क्या बोला? अगर मैं ऊपर पहुंच जाऊंगा तो कौन से गाने सुनूंगा? Which the wind is singing for me. ठीक है? क्योंकि वो जब फ्लाइट ले रहा होगा, काइट के साथ उड़ रहा होगा, तो कौन सी सॉन्ग सुनेगा? विच द विंड इज सिंगिंग. बट विंड इज नॉट एक्चुअली सिंगिंग अ सॉन्ग, बट एक्चुअली विंड की जो आवाज आएगी विल फील लाइक अ सॉन्ग व्हेन ही इज फ्लाइंग high in the sky. The child imagines hearing the songs of the wild wind while flying atop the kite. These songs are a symbol of freedom and joy the child experiences while soaring high. ये जो song है, which he imagines that the wind is singing in his ear, which he's going to hear while he's sailing in the sky, is actually showing his excitement, freedom, and joy. ठीक है, that he's so excited to be in the sky, flying so high in the sky, trying to be really atop, really be on the top of the sky. Okay, moving on. Why did the people look up at the child and stare? If you looked up and saw that, what feeling would you have? Now, this part of the question, beta, this is totally your wish, how you want to feel about this part of the question and what you want to answer. Although I'm going to give you one answer, but that is my feeling. I want you to write down your own feeling. So, usko kyun laga that people are going to look up and stare? Bhai, obviously, if somebody is flying high up in the sky, obviously I'm going to look up and I'm going to stare, is because that is an amazing thing happening, right? So I'll be very excited to see that. Also, what feeling will I have? I will have the feeling that I wish I were that person. कि काश मैं भी वो person होती और मैं भी flight लेके या मैं भी kite पे बैठ के पूरे आसमान में I would also have been flying. ठीक है, I will have that feeling or I had that feeling. ठीक है, moving on. The people looked up and stared because they were amazed by the sight of the child flying high in the sky, sitting on the kite. ठीक है, okay. Next, if I saw that, I would feel astonished. यानी I'll be amazed. ठीक है, maybe even a bit envious. Envious मतलब थोड़ी सी जलन भी होती. Wishing I could be as free and high up as the child. कि काश मैं भी उतनी free होती या मैं भी उतनी हल्की होती या मैं भी उस बच्चे की तरह काइट पे बैठ के I would also have been flying in the sky. ठीक है, तो थोड़ी सी envious होती है, मतलब थोड़ी सी जलन भी होती. Okay, next question. This is the last question for today. If you were the kite carrying the child high up in the air, what would you tell them? Okay, now this is also an opinion-based question wherein just imagine that you are that kite on which the child is sitting, right, and flying in the sky. तो आप उस बच्चे को क्या बोलोगे? What all will you say to that child? Okay, if I were the kite, I would tell the child to enjoy the view. सबसे पहले मैं क्या बोलूंगी? If you're sitting on me, I am flying with you in the entire sky. Just enjoy the view and soar freely. और मेरे साथ बहुत ऊपर उड़ो. Reminding them to appreciate the freedom and the beauty of the world below. और उस बच्चे को बताती कि मैं तो रोज ही उड़ती हूँ. Yeah, just imagine the view, just see the view, just enjoy the beauty. It's very lovely to be in the air and see everything from the top. It's lovely. So get all the memories with you and fly really, really high with me in the sky and be very excited and joyful. Here we are done with the question answers of this poem. We'll continue with the remaining exercises. Till then, bye.